Latest research and development. 1. These tiny robots can swarm, adapt, and heal themselves. A new study led by Penn State researchers shows for the first time how sound waves could function as a means of controlling micro-sized robots. 2. Physicists found a way to solve quantum mysteries without supercomputers. Researchers at the University at Buffalo have advanced a powerful yet affordable quantum modeling method known as the truncated Wigner approximation. 3. Scientists make silver glow 77 times brighter. A team of Japanese researchers discovered that adding just one silver atom to a nanocluster can boost its light-emitting efficiency by 77 times. 4. The strange 540 million-year-old fossil shaking up evolutionary history. A strange Cambrian fossil named Saltarella may hold the key to understanding how early animals first built skeletons. 5. Mystery solved. 14,000-year-old puppies were actually wolves. A pair of Ice Age puppies, preserved in Siberian permafrost for over 14,000 years, have turned out to be wolves, not early domesticated dogs. 6. Genetic therapy cuts cholesterol by nearly 50% in groundbreaking study. Researchers have unveiled a new DNA-based therapy that silences the PCSK9 gene to lower cholesterol without statin side effects. 7. New cancer therapy smuggles viruses past immune defenses. Researchers have created a Trojan horse-style cancer therapy that hides viruses inside tumor-homing bacteria, letting them slip past immune defenses and destroy cancer from the inside out. 8. Scientists forge new, superalloy, that could revolutionize jet engines and power plants. A newly developed material with exceptional high temperature resistance shows strong promise for use in energy-efficient aircraft turbines. 9. Is this the end of the silicon era? Scientists unveil world's first 2D computer. Researchers at Penn State have developed the first silicon-free computer using atom-thin materials. This breakthrough could reshape the future of electronics, paving the way for ultra-efficient, miniaturized computing devices. 10. Truly extraordinary, supermassive black hole found in the last place scientists expected. A black hole far from its galactic center has unleashed the fastest, brightest radio flares ever seen from a star's destruction. 11. Cosmic clocks reveal hidden ripples in spacetime. A new paper presents a method for distinguishing between different sources of nanohertz gravitational waves. 12. Groundbreaking new way of measuring blood pressure could save thousands of lives. A new method that improves the accuracy of interpreting blood pressure measurements taken at the ankle could be vital for individuals who are unable to have their blood pressure measured on the arm. 13. New gold-powered catalyst smashes decade-old benchmark in green chemistry. A new gold perovskite catalyst achieves record-high acetaldehyde yields from bioethanol at lower temperatures. 14. The Milky Way is glowing. These scientists think dark matter may be the cause. Thanks for watching this video.